While everyone's chasing complicated AI businesses, this simple website is making thousands of dollars every single month.
I stopped the video here because I did not trust this part.
So to quickly show how Horizons works, let's go ahead and start with a simple website audit tool. I'm going to enter my idea into the chat box, and within moments, as you can see, Horizons generates the first working version. But right away, we have a functional draft without having to add configured templates or build anything manually ourselves.
I watched it 3 times to find the trick. I could not find one.
And the first result here is really just the starting point, because from here, we can continue the conversation and ask Horizons to expand the audit findings, provide more detailed insights, and improve the overall output. A single follow-up prompt takes the original version and makes it significantly more useful.
But a nice demo is not proof of anything. The next part matters more.
Works. Utility sites solve a very specific problem, and they solve it right away, immediately. And that's their entire purpose. Say someone needs a random name picker, a word unscrambler, or a countdown timer. Search for it, and then they find the tool that gives them exactly what they're looking for.
I lost money before on things that needed selling and chasing people. This model needs none of that. And that is the difference for me.
Now, there are no complicated systems here behind the scenes from the user's perspective. The tool just does that one job, and it does that job every single time. What's interesting is that many online business models do require a lot of ongoing work to keep growing. Content needs to be published, audiences need to be built out, products need to be sold, and marketing campaigns all need to be managed.
But one thing still worried me. What if people stop needing these tools next year?
Another reason utility sites are so powerful is that the demand is evergreen. So the need for these tools doesn't suddenly disappear because, say, a trend changes or a platform loses popularity. People just needed random name pickers 10 years ago.
Yes, the need is real and it stays. But the need going to his site is not the same as the need coming to yours.
And they still need them today, and they'll still need them in 2030. The same goes for word unscramblers, countdown timers, and countless other simple utilities. The underlying problem stays the same, which means people just keep searching for solutions year after year.
So the real question is how a normal person builds one at all. That part shocked me.
Is something called vibe coding. The concept is pretty straightforward. You just tell Horizons what you want to build using normal conversational language, and then it turns that description into a working application.
Then I tried typing one plain sentence myself. In my own simple English, it felt like sending a WhatsApp message, nothing more.
There are no templates to configure, there's no drag and drop editor to figure out, and there are no technical decisions slowing down the process.
By the way, if you want the full breakdown of this, I've got a free training linked first in the description. But let me show you the next part first, because this is where it gets interesting.
So you just simply explain what the tool should do, and Horizons generates it for you. And that's already a huge advantage for beginners, but there's another feature here that makes it especially useful.
But building something is one thing. Putting it in front of the world is where I got nervous.
So before finally publishing, let's go ahead and take a final look throughout the site, and let's make sure that everything is working as expected. So the wheel should function normally, the ad placements should appear in the designated locations.
The ad keys were fake ones, just for show. So the site is real, but the money part is still a test he did not take.
And the overall experience should still feel clean and easy to use. And once everything looks good, you'll have a fully built utility site that is ready to be published and start.
And maybe that is the honest lesson here. The building is now easy, but the proving is still on us. Now, everything I just showed you works, but it's honestly only one piece of the puzzle. If you want to see how the whole system fits together, step by step, I put together a free training that walks you through the entire thing. No fluff, no weird sales pitch, just the full process. The same way I'd explain it if we were sitting across the table. It's the first link in the description. If this video was helpful, that training will probably be 10 times more helpful. And if you're not there yet, no problem. Just keep watching, keep learning, and it'll be there when you're ready. All right, see you in the next one.